I'm very happy to be part of this Plastivision India 2020, which I think they are showcasing all over different states for the businessmen, for people to participate and understand. Imagine, I was just, when I first got this pamphlet sometime back, some 10-15 days back, I was just wondering whether it is for plastic or against plastic. So I didn't know exactly what it was. So when I googled it and I came to know that it is different companies from all over India, from all over the world, who are participating, showcasing their machines, their new technology, and whatever makes it easy for mankind to replace smaller machines to a bigger machine. And it has got nothing to do with the day-to-day plastic, but I am definitely against the single-use plastic, which a country like India can't afford on a daily basis at this moment till we educate the people in a larger way. The single-use plastic, which I talk about in Goa and India, everybody wants a easy go when they go in the fish market, when they go in the vegetable market, when they go in a grocery shop. They want a carry bag which is just 50 paisa or 1 rupees. They give it free of cost, and they just bring their fish and they just dump the plastic outside their house. So because we were little late to start the waste management, and our ex-chief minister and myself, we were instrumental to start this solid waste management facility in my constituency of Calangute. And today we have seen the largest garbage treatment plant facility in Goa, and a lot of other states come visit our plant and they use this similar technology back in their small states also. It's a matter of concern for Goa and some other states in India where single-use plastic has been very bad for the state, and it will take some time for the people of the state, for the tourists who come over here, to understand that one single bottle also matters when you throw it out into the river or into the Nalla, because the number of tourists or the number of people visiting that area and throwing it every day, like there are 10,000 people visiting and littering. So you imagine in 30 days the amount of waste, where it will go. Plastivision, I will come over there one of these days. It is very important for my ministry, that is Waste Management Ministry, Solid Waste Management Corporation of Goa, to understand what exactly is their vision, because we have to compete with the world, and the world is far ahead than us. They are treating everything, nothing as waste. We treat it as waste, but for them waste is energy. Every smallest thing, what is not required for them, they immediately produce energy out of it. And we are still thinking like what we are going to do with this plastic waste. So plastic cannot go out of our life just like that. But yes, it is an environmental hazard, and we need to see how we can reuse it, recycle it in a systematic way, in a scientific manner, without disturbing the environment. Now when we speak about environment, there are so many things. I do not want to go right deep inside it, like we have global warming. There are so many things if we start talking. Let's not talk about that, but let us see how we can minimize the use of daily use plastic. Whereas Plastivision, the exhibition which is going to be held in Mumbai, is for the larger interest of our states and our country, which will showcase different types of the way I have seen the slide show. I think the different types of machines which are newly manufactured, new products which have come. I think they will be on display, which will help Goan industry, which will help industry across India. New machines means something new is going to come in, and we can make use of it for a stronger India. And I think India is a country which is it's a growing economy, it's a developing country. The biggest sales and biggest manufacturing units will be in India in the near future.
So there are 10 salient features which you will find in our exhibitions, all under one roof. For the first time we are having this recycling pavilion. Now you will be surprised to see our Samirji here. He is heading and working a lot on our environment. That's all from the mineral water bottle. These bottles, PET bottles in which we drink water, t-shirt can be made. We will demonstrate now only. A t-shirt, this is made from mineral water bottle. So there are such fantastic innovations which are happening, sir. Sir, can you please come on the dais so people can see it, sir? This is made from mineral water bottle, sir. And in fact, sir, not only that, sir, we have made a Guinness World Record of the biggest t-shirt made from this PET bottle, sir. And India recycles 90% of this water. This is for you, sir, for a small memory, sir. So these are fantastic things which can happen in recycling. Secondly, how to make oil from plastics and roll from plastics.